Well, is cracking your fingers bad? Many people ask this question to the doctor. They also ask questions like, can you get arthritis from cracking your knuckles? Or, does popping your knuckles cause arthritis? But the fact is, people always get scared by this misconception. According to the explanation of orthopedic surgeons, in our joints, there is a fluid called synovial fluid, and it also contains some gases like oxygen and nitrogen, in the form of bubbles. So, after some period of inactivity, when we flex or stretch our fingers, the gas-filled fluid causes the bubbles to burst, and we hear the cracking sound. Though there is no medical evidence that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis, or any harm to your joints. But doctors do not recommend cracking your fingers for good. In other case, if cracking your fingers causes pain, then you should definitely go to doctor. If you want to live a healthy life, then stay tuned with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later and thanks for watching.